Everybody knows we live in a world but they give bad names to beautiful things. Everybody knows we live in a world where we don't give beautiful things a second glance. Heaven only knows we live in a world where what we call beautiful is just something I'd say. People laughing behind their hands while the fragile and the sensitive are given no chance. When the leaves turn from red to brown, to be trodden down, to be trodden down. When the leaves turn from red to brown, fall to the ground, fall to the ground. We don't have to live in a world where we give bad names to beautiful things. We should live in a beautiful world. We should give beautiful a second chance. The leaves fall from red to brown, to be trodden down, to be trodden down. And the leaves turn green to red to brown, fall to the ground and get kicked around. You're strong enough to be, feel the faith to be, you're sane enough to be, honest enough to stay.